There's nothing more manly than driving your cruiser home to build a shed with the boys, you know? Mister said I'm starting to get so manly, I've got to start shaving my legs.
Yeah, you stay there.
So we just discovered the short people don't really cop much weight when you carry this on the shoulder.
And how are you getting out of the big ones, TJ?
We want to carry it under our arm instead.
No. Yeah, it's actually not too bad on your own.
Yeah, we
Says the guy on the camera.
Oh yeah, tell light. I love how the load just changes.
Sometimes you're like, oh, I'm good.
I think shoulder was better. Good job, TJ. Do you want me to do the camera one for this one?
Yeah, mate, you can.
Jump in on that if you want.
Building it, not buying it, mate.
I got you a beanie.
Oh.
It's coming in the winter.
Today is the day. A new shed. Shed life at the most extreme point. Building an actual shed. Coming together. We've got a single door and then a double door going there. You know what you're doing down there, fucking hell. You got the workpiece.
Just get my scissor off, you know, start doing a bit of shed building and
That doesn't look right at all, man, boots.
I know, the boots are on. Pretty rare they're on, but they're on.
Is this the budget build?
This is the budget
The
build.
all-wheel drive.
It does everything.
You don't. Yeah, it doesn't need to climb hills. It just takes you to the top.
Yeah, and then it tips over.
Yeah, mate, left hand down.
Don't listen to T-Dads.
Oh, got the throttle grenade on that, mate.
Yeah, literally. Trying to find the crawl mode.
Go back up, get it.
We go fast mode.
Oh, explode mode. If we put a ramp here, we should be able to jump the gap.
Yeah.
That's what I'm hoping.
We jump the gap.
Alrighty.
Ready to go, mate.
This is just like driving the cruiser, it's like the same.
Probably got more technology on that, but.
Oh mate, once got to get acquainted with her, you know, just really treat her nice. See, stop pressing me buttons, guys.
All the way back, go all the way.
How high does it go?
Go all the way.
Oh, bloody great view up here. Holy shit.
He's getting scared. He's getting scared.
Anyone needs some rope? Wait, where's it? Oh, there.
That's scary. Why now try to drive around?
The wash is on the right way.
Do you know which way we go?
Inside out.
I think that's right.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, come pretty square.
Timber level, mate.
Perfect.
Oh, yep. Surveyor's eye. What do you reckon?
That's how it should be. Why didn't anyone else do that?
A little bit for the snags, eh? Only way to do it.
Talk me through it, boys. How are we feeling about the situation here?
The boys come over, they're going real hard today. They're all really putting in the effort, 110% from everyone.
About halfway through the frame. Coming together, beers are open.
Check, audio check. What's up?
And level 12 on the audio.
It is on level 12. This is level 12. And I'll boost it up to plus 20. We're probably gonna blow the speaker off. Yeah, that's already peaking. Negative 10 for when you're doing a skid. There we go, we're doing burnouts. That might be good for like drift videos. Well, the shed's coming together, isn't it, TJ? We just had lunch.
I only showed up for lunch.
And now the boys are basically taking every corner off and starting again. I'm not gonna lie. It's because Paddy arrived and said we did it wrong, and he's right. He's right. We're sort of wrong. Because I just said that you've come in and ruined the day for everyone. You're starting again or something?
Yeah, they produce plans for a reason.
You're right.
Yeah.
Why is that door small? Oi, what are you doing? Macca, keep doing shit. You done it wrong. Can I have a beer? If I say it's okay, well then you do it to the best skin. That's pussy.
It really hurts.
It won't. Just there. Come on. Just a little.
Come on, Jacko.
Alright. Yes, you're in. This is all we needed.
James come to whip whoever's not working. Doesn't know if he's looked in the mirror though.
So add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up, only buying car.
Got him! We're up to the fun part.
Fun part.
Yeah, oh, sarcasm's running thick.
Yeah, so we made the mistake of really choppering the hell out of it. It's called burning the slab. Makes it real hard and less porous, but the problem is now that I'm epoxying it, you actually want it porous so that the epoxy really takes. So I've had to grind it all back. They said if it's a real hard slab like this, you got to you just thin the first coat and then it'll really bond to it.
Knows how to run a vacuum, holy shit! To the fun stuff. Flake on the paint. Straight on the jumper.
Oh, I know. Sorry, 4x4 Safari. We've grinded the slab, did like 3 passes over it, because we burnished it. Bad idea. Then we sanded it. Then we've done our primer coat, which just has more metho. It's epoxy, but with more metho in it. You paint and you harden it basically. Put that on, we'll just pour it out, roll it. Now we're doing our second coat, and that's when the flake goes into it. Sand back the flake.
Oh, really?
And then you do your polyurethane clear over that. Then you sand that back.
No.
And then you flow coat it with polyurethane again. And it should be like glass, mate. And you just get Jamin to do it. It's way easier.
We got all the same people turned up that and it was at the start of this episode.
So now Colby's just supervising. Jamin's on the tools this time.
Give me the pronto.
Paddy's going to come in and tell us we're doing it wrong.
Yeah. Apparently otherwise too much big flake won't stick.
And then you gotta
They got to sieve out the big flake.
do you know what you're talking about?
I wouldn't even bother.
How big's a big flake?
They're small.
What do you consider big? That's tiny.
Yeah.
I won't.
Next minute, which we
But you just said I was to sift it out.
Yeah, so you want to lay the big flake down first. And then
I wouldn't bother.
Did they give you a sifter?
So what call we made?
Not to sift them.
The call's been made not to sift it. Will this bite everyone in the arse? You just want to be the guy that said, I told you so.
I already had the poles from when I did my reno the other day. Because I'm a professional painter. And I have undone it.
Did you open your beer with them boots on, mate? Troopy owners, eh?
Yeah, troopy owners.
High pressure here, Macca.
What's going on, eh?
That's so much. Do you just blow off what's not stuck on?
Yeah.
Feed the chickens, Jamin.
Oh, you put the big ones on the bottom, bro.
Sorry, man.
Serious levels of flake going on, Jamin.
More flake than a Macca's soft serve, mate.
Oh, dad joke.
There's still plenty on there.
Good, mate.
Approved. I really, you know when you go down the footpath and someone's drawn their name in the wet concrete?
Yeah.
I want to be that guy.
Yeah.
Just don't tell Mac.
Does it make you want to build sheds, Colbs?
No.
I thought you were going to do something.
I'll stick to metal.
Alright.
On the outside.
What kind of methods that?
Chook feed.
What do you reckon, Macca? You happy? Happy?
I don't know, it's not finished yet.
Oh, we got this. Here's a clear coat. Oh.
That was a big slide too. Boys. Yeah, that's where the hoist leg is. Yeah. Yeah, don't stress about that, boys.
What's your rating on the footwear?
A 10 for style,
Yes.
and probably like a 3 for comfort. It's got these rubber things just stabbing at the top of your feet. If you wore shoes, it wouldn't be quite so bad, but I don't wear shoes.
Sweep it off and then clear coat.
Sweep it off, grind, well, sand it flat,
Oh, again.
and then poly it, then sand that flat, and then poly again.
Oh.
If you want glass, we want glass, mate.
Anyway, I think that'll do for this episode. Next time you see it, it's probably going to have a hoist in there. What do you guys reckon? Shed Life logo on the floor or on the wall? Because Mac can't decide. What are you thinking, Mac?
I'm thinking wall's going to be a lot easier.
You want it on the wall. Anyway, yeah, let us know in the comments down below. Shed Life logo on the floor or on the wall. You can do whatever you want.